Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a fail-proof vermicelli rice. This rice is so easy to make, it's so fluffy and delicious, and it's served with a lot of Mediterranean dishes. Let's get started. Over medium heat, start out by adding 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of vermicelli noodles. Some people prefer using ghee or oil. It's a preference, but I've always used butter. Saute your vermicelli noodles until they are golden in color. Whenever your vermicelli noodles look like this, add 2 cups of jasmine rice. Let that jasmine rice soak up some of that butter flavor, and then we're going to add our water. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to add 4 1/4 of a cup of water. So every cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water. And since we added vermicelli, that 1/4 of a cup is gonna cover the vermicelli noodles because they also absorb water. And trust me, you're gonna get a super fluffy rice. Try to get all your rice and vermicelli in the water. And then we're gonna cover our lid and raise the heat to high. As soon as it starts boiling and bubbling, we're going to reduce our heat to low and put a timer for 20 minutes. As soon as it comes up to a boil like this, reduce your heat all the way down to low and set a timer for 20 minutes. Turn your heat off after 20 minutes, open the lid and stir your rice. Look how fluffy and buttery this rice is. And your rice is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.